Hi everyone, the Rosetta landing is going to happen this week. There's some evidence that half the stars in the universe exist outside of galaxies, and a baby incubator has been invented that can solve a lot of problems in the third world. This is your weekly science news with me, the UKAstroNut. So after spending several months orbiting around the comet, Rosetta is going to send down its lander, Philae, down onto the surface on Wednesday this week. So it's going to be a really incredible event. There's going to be a lot of press coverage, and if you look at the European Space Agency website, there's going to be lots of streams and lots of news about it, so it's really worth checking out. So Rosetta's been going around for several months now, and it's been decided this is the best time to land on it, and the landing site has been chosen and it's also been named. So on Wednesday, the little lander Philae will go down and it'll attach itself down onto the surface of the comet, and hopefully attach itself and keep itself there, and then it will start doing science. It's going to start studying what the comet's made of, what the interior, the structure of it is, and lots of really great science is going to come out of it. It's a really incredible mission because it's the first time humans have ever landed anything on a comet, so it's really impressive. So keep an eye out on Wednesday, check out the European Space Agency website, and there'll be lots of videos and some really interesting stuff, so go check it out. So a recent paper has suggested that half the stars in the universe exist outside of galaxies. And this is really incredible because our idea of the universe suggests that stars should basically all exist inside galaxies. But this scientist has been looking through the dust and everything in our own galaxy and our own atmosphere. They've been studying the background light of the universe. What they found is there's too much to be explained by any kind of normal phenomena, and so they think that it's probably from stars that live outside of galaxies, and this is where the light is. Now this would be a really incredible discovery in astrophysics, and they think these stars have been flung out as galaxies merge and smash and interact with each other, and these stars get flung out of galaxies and they just travel through open space in the universe. But a lot of scientists also think there's probably just distant background galaxies that we just can't resolve. They sort of we can see the light from them, but we can't see them as individual galaxies. But there's going to have to be done more observations and more research into this, but it's really interesting, so it's worth keeping an eye out on. So finally, the James Dyson Award this year has been given out. And the James Dyson Award is an award given to really good inventions, and this year it's gone to a baby incubator, which is inflatable. The really good thing about this is it's incredibly cheap. It's really easy to replace parts, it's really low cost to run and to actually produce. Now baby incubator is what keeps babies really warm, especially if they're born very young or premature, and they really need to be kept warm, and this is what a baby incubator does. Now these can be run really cheap, as I said, and they can run for a long time on just a simple car battery. So this is why they're really good, and they're especially going to help in third world countries and very poor areas in which they can't afford very good incubators. And these things are really cheap, really easy to set up, really easy to replace and to run. So it's a really incredible award, and it's going to save lots of lives. So I think it's definitely a good decision. So that was your weekly news. Thank you very much for watching. There's loads of really good things. As I said, keep an eye out on the European Space Agency website for all the Rosetta stuff coming up this week, and there'll be a live stream and I'll talk through it. It'll be really good, so check that out. But thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.